Hello everyone, welcome back to the CX Speed Updates YouTube channel here. With me, Roberto Monico Ignacio speaking here, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. Excuse me. And today we will be talking about a CX 777-300ER that flew to Xiamen from Hong Kong for maintenance, as well as to get her larger titles and or to get configured into a 77J. So this aircraft is registered as Bravo Kilo Quebec Papa. She is special for flying directly to Alice Springs by Sydney back in November 2020 after returning from Xiamen to Hong Kong. So after a long story from Xiamen to Hong Kong, and she took her flight number 63822, as you can see it here, with a great circle distance of 496 kilometers. The actual flight time 1 hour and 6 minutes. Ground speed 1 kiloknots and a track of 70 degrees, as you can see it here. This aircraft took off at the southern runway exactly 4:49 AM local time, and then landed at runway 05 at Xiamen Gaoqi Airport 5:56 AM local time in Xiamen Gaoqi Airport. And hopefully she would stay long there. So let's proceed to the next aircraft, which is another 77W. Hold on. So let's proceed to another aircraft, which is another 777-300ER that returned to Hong Kong from Xiamen after 6 days. This aircraft is registered as Bravo Kilo Quebec Zulu. She took her flight number 63821 with a great circle distance of 196 kilometers, actual flight time 52 minutes, and a top 143 degrees, as you can see it here. And this aircraft is special for being the youngest KQ bird in the fleet. And she took off at runway 05 at Xiamen Gaoqi at exactly 12:12 AM local time. And she landed in the middle runway, if I'm not mistaken, at 1:04 AM local time in Hong Kong. So she just stayed there very short, and hopefully she will sport her larger titles. If not, never mind. So for the details of our Quebec Papa and Zulu, kindly check our previous video about this aircraft. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell icon next to it. All by me, Roberto Manico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Hui. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.